Okay, so whatever the thing I have provided with fun belongs to two things. Okay, let us give fun one. No need of any collision. I'm trying to extend both the links. If I run this, okay, no. What is my class name? Demo init. Here it is. Okay, so now I'm trying to inherit this demo inherit class from two different classes. Is it possible or not? I'm going to execute multiple inheritance. Of course, we know that we'll have compilation problem because it is not at all possible to inherit from two classes. What I do is and try to inherit from one class. We will see now. We don't have any error. We will got an output that is whatever it is there in this.
So,
Yes, anybody have doubt?
so,
Yes.
so screen share is not visible.
Is it not visible? Oh, sorry.
No, sir.
Okay, again. Now,
Yes, sir. It is true.
is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, I have created two classes now, parent one and parent two. Okay, fine. So one class will have a method called fun, another class will have a method called fun one. Okay. Now I'm trying to inherit from both the classes. We will see that is parent one and parent two. Okay, parent two. Sorry. Okay. So I'm going to execute this. This will gives me an error because if I'm trying to extend to a more classes for a single class, of course this functionality is not at all supported in Java. So as we know that multiple inheritance with respect to class, it is not at all supported. So see, suppose if I try to execute or try to inherit only from one class, then I don't have any problem at all. See, I can easily execute whatever there in the fun function, that output I'm going to get it. Okay. Suppose if I want to execute inherit from parent two also, no problem. Parent two. Okay. Suppose if I try to inherit from both the classes at the same time, this functionality is not at all supported. Why? Why? There is a problem. See, suppose if I have two function have same name and they belongs to different classes, then always I will have naming collisions happens if I do multiple units. That's why it is not at all supported. Since I have separate signature here and I have separate signature here, so here if I come to here, okay, suppose if I inherit from two separate classes, okay, assume if I'm inheriting from two separate classes, okay, so now the compiler will can get confused that which signature I need to go with, either parent one signature or parent two signature. That's why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So how can you, yes, try to implement the multiple inheritance in Java? That is possible. That is possible by using a concept called interface. Okay. Okay, as I already told that. Fine. here I'm going to implement it, and here I'm going to try to access the member. C. Okay. Now I'm going to remove it. Here I'm not going to implement anything. Okay. So now I'll run. See, I have two interfaces, parent 1 and parent 2. I'm trying to do multiple inheritance here. I'm trying to use the members of parent 1 and parent 2 at the same time for this class C. Okay, now I will try this. See, now I got the output parent. See, when I try the same thing with respect to class, so multiple inheritance is not at all supported. If I try the same thing with respect to one more type called interface, so multiple inheritance is supported. So that's how, in order to overcome those naming convention, that is, if you provide signature in both the classes, if I try to use the same other signature in another class, if I am inheriting from multiple classes, then I'll always end with naming collisions. To avoid that, we are going to use interfaces to support the multiple inheritance. Okay, that's how we can implement inheritance, multiple inheritances using interfaces. Okay, anybody have doubts with this? I can clear it. Okay, so that's how we can achieve multiple inheritance in Java. Normally through classes, it is not at all possible to have multiple inheritance. Okay, it is also similar to inheritance, that is a relationship. Okay, but the thing is, as we know that